Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm reviewing the new USPS Informed Delivery mobile app. And honestly, it's a huge step up from the old one. I'll walk you through what's great, what's still missing, and whether it's worth switching right now. Let's jump in. First off, massive improvement. If you've used the old USPS app before, you'll immediately notice this one's way faster. It opens instantly using biometric login, and you land right on your Informed Delivery dashboard. No more tapping through 3 or 4 screens just to see your mail. The new design actually feels like a real app this time, not a web shortcut. The layout is clean, easy to navigate, and built for phones. Everything loads smoother and more naturally. Another thing I love is the UI design. It's modern, simple, and really user-friendly. You can preview your mail right inside the app without having to check your email every morning. And speaking of mornings, those push notifications are super handy. Every day, you'll get a quick digest showing what's arriving in your mailbox. For anyone who likes staying on top of packages or letters, this is a game changer. So yeah, overall, the new USPS app finally feels like something built in 2025, not 2012. Now I'm talking about the not so good, but it's not perfect. A couple of things still need work. First, there's no support for multiple accounts. That's tough if you manage mail for more than one address, like a business and a home. You'd have to log out and back in each time, which feels like a step backward. And one big feature people are missing: the ability to report missing mail directly from the app. The old version had a report missing option where you could tap on a piece of mail image and flag it right away. That feature's gone, and USPS really needs to bring it back, along with proper tracking updates or feedback once you report something. So yeah, those are the only real downsides right now. Overall, I'd say the USPS Informed Delivery app is absolutely worth downloading. It's clean, fast, and finally feels like a proper mobile experience. If USPS adds multi-account support and brings back the missing mail feature, this could easily be a 5-star app. So go ahead, give it a try, and let me know in the comments what you think. Do you like the new design? Or do you miss the old features? Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more USPS app and iPhone tutorial videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.